Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be setting up this weekly dashboard for the upcoming week. And I have kind of pre-planned a bit, and then I'm also further simplifying my life. So I'm putting very minimal things, and I'll talk you through all of the things that I'm adding here. For work goals, I have two things that I want to focus on. One is my content, and I think I was pretty good at it at the beginning of March, but then things got a little bit busier and I had to end up prioritizing something else over this. But I want to get back into having a more, what do you say, like not not frequency, but just more certainty for you guys, so that you know what are the days that I'm going to be uploading the videos on, what are the days you're going to be getting podcast episodes about. So I just want to work through that and be more certain in that terms. And then I also want to add here as end work day by 8 p.m. Last week, I'd actually added this in my personal goals, but then I realized that it's actually supposed to be a work goal. I need to, in terms of work, I need to focus on finishing it by 8 p.m. It shouldn't be my personal goal. So that's why I moved it to this side. And in my personal goals, I have two things that I want to mark. One is my evening yoga challenge. It started on April 1st. So it's a 30-day yoga challenge. Last week I made a spelling error in this. So I'm just trying to figure out like if evening spelling is correct. Okay, anyways, evening yoga. And then another goal. So what I'm saying here is I'm doing a 30-day evening yoga challenge, and that's going to be my goal for this week. And also long walks. I've started going on like really long walks, like an hour long, and spend some time in the nature, just be out, not be in a hurry to get back home. And the fact that we have more daytime is actually helping, because earlier what used to happen was it would get darker by like 5 p.m. and I had to like rush back home. Now we have daytime until 8:30 in the night, so that's really good. That's helping me be outside for a longer period of time. And for meal plan, I'm actually filming this video a little bit ahead because we have a long weekend this week. So I'm just trying to finish up everything so that I can spend some time, like take some time off. And I'm gonna go for grocery shopping tomorrow, so I'll do that. Then also for this week, I have been using my meal plan thing as a log rather than planning, which I'm really liking actually. So once I eat, end of the day when I just come back to mark all these to-do list and stuff, I just write down what meal I had. So that's working out fine. I'll see about it. I actually had a meal plan prepared. I keep that rough draft in the kitchen. I just didn't put it in the planner, and I went ahead and started adding as and when I ate it. So I'll see what I want to do this week. But yeah, this is gonna be that. And for the weekly affirmation, if you have watched yesterday's video, you would have seen that I spoke a little bit about flow, and that's what I'm gonna focus on in terms of affirmation. And my affirmation this week is going to be I surrender and let go. So this can mean anything. It can be thoughts that do not serve me, it can be emotions, it can be people, it can be experiences. So yeah, I just want to focus on that, and I want to let go of some of the control that I try to hang on to. For this section, I'm gonna change it to my oracle card. So this is where when I do my Monday morning weekly oracle card readings, I come here and add the card that I would have got and some of the intentions and messages I would have received. So I'm gonna put that there. And shopping list, I don't really have anything else to add. Probably throughout the week, if I remember, like for groceries, for example, this week I really need to stock up tomatoes as well as onions. So like that in between the week, if I remember anything, I can come back and add it here. So I'm gonna use it as a shopping list itself. And this is gonna be my weekly to do. So like this week stuff, and here again I have very minimal things. The regular ones is clean home and groceries. I also need to do my meal planning for that next week. And on Sunday it is new moon, so I want to be doing my new moon ritual, and I'm adding it here because I don't want to add anything on Sundays in my planner. So basically I'm not going to be using my planner on Sunday, so I just wanted to put it here instead of there. And yeah, I'm just being a little bit mindful about what I'm adding on Sundays because it tends to start with these kind of things and then I might end up adding different tasks in the future, so I'm just avoiding that. I wanted to put that here in this weekly to-do list. So this was a fairly simple setup for the upcoming week, and there are a couple of reasons for this. One, because there's a lot of other stuff going on in terms of my college. This is my final month and there are some major projects and presentations going on, so my time is occupied in that a lot, and then I am working with my coaching clients as well as I have a job. So that's one reason why you don't see a lot of or that's three reasons why you don't see a lot of stuff here. And I'm also actively working towards like simplifying things and not adding too many things on my plate and just relaxing, resting, and I need to make sure that I'm recharged because there's a lot going on and I need energy for that. So that's why there's very little here. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this quick video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.